Hey everyone, Tom F. Sakava here. Welcome to another honest review, and please do not buy this if you are looking to build a brand. This is a product from the get-go. Before I introduce my bonuses, before I review the product, this is a product from the get-go that is designed to make you money, to get you results, to get you passive income, but it is not a good integration to your business. It is a horrible brand builder, and it should only be used to make money, get traffic, and use that money and those earnings to fund your business or fund whatever you want. Pay the bills, just spend your money. It doesn't matter. Maybe right now it's a good thing with the corona and stuff, but just generally speaking, do not buy this if you are looking to improve your brand or build a brand. You can build a brand, but not with this, right? It has to be a side thing. I'm going to explain exactly why, and of course the bonuses at the same time. So let's read some of the sales pages, then we're going to jump into the software. It says, struggling marketers, say goodbye to your traffic problems forever. New cloud app instantly builds commission engines that get you buyer traffic and sales every day in 59 seconds or less. No tedious work, works in any niche. Here's how, and a bunch of stuff, right? You are 3 simple steps from automated buyer traffic and sales. Log in, choose your niche, enter a keyword, open the traffic floodgates and the commissions they are earning, etc., etc., etc. So I want to ignore the sales page today, and I want to jump into the actual software, okay? And of course, there are bonuses as well if you purchase through my link. But let's talk about the product itself first. All right, dashboard, and we are good to go. So this is how your site will look like, the auto blog this will build. So this software, what it does is essentially it builds you, I wrote some notes here after reviewing, it builds you money-making rich content blogs automatically, cloud-based, no domain, of course, no hosting needed. It's all on them. You can create as many as you want. It builds auto blogs, fetches the videos, gets you SEO traffic, generates leads, viral traffic, and also helps you earn commissions. It has a lot of things in one thing, right? So it's jam-packed. And I'm going to ignore this section and this section because these are just like WordPress. These are just posts and media, which you can create manually if you want to. But this thing is all about automation, so you don't need to create manually. Okay, so this is how your site will look like. This is the auto blog that you will get. You can of course further play with it and improve it and design it, etc. But like the base template of what you'll get looks like this. Okay, and it's first reason why it's not good for branding on its own. This is not a beautiful, professional, modern website. This is an auto blog designed to get traffic from multiple sources, organically mostly. And as you get the traffic, this traffic will hit here, and they will be, depending on the article, they will see, they will engage with the article. If you click on, for example, let's click on this one, right? Read more. So there's an opt-in form here that the software creates, headline, and it's all automatically created for you. And it's like bait for social media, right? So people will search for certain keywords, SmartBank, and they will get here and they will sign up to your list. And as they sign up to your list, they'll be asked if they want to get better gifts, and all they need to do is to send referrals to your email list, to this page. So it's like everything put together, okay? Everything put together. Probably all of the features that these guys have in the software is just crammed into one product, right? So that is what will be the end result. So you will get leads, and you will, of course, each of these keywords will have an affiliate link embedded in it, or whatever link you want to put there. And eventually it works in a very simple way where it creates you this auto blog, it monetizes it, it optimizes it for SEO, helps you get traffic, sends you traffic, and it monetizes it, and it collects leads and gets you viral traffic. Just every single sexy or famous feature you can imagine that can be in such a software is here. Whether it's good or bad is not of my concern, because I'm taking this from a place that this is never going to be something that I'm going to use for my brand. Okay, this is never going to be something I'm going to put my name on in terms of because this site is just not something I would like to be a part of, right? Because it's just some money making, traffic getting thing. It's very MMO based. It's very this type of niche based. It's not going to make you famous. Nobody's going to engage with it crazily, and nobody's going to like it. And one of these sites will not make you millions. The goal here, the idea here, is to create as many of these as you can, and these will make you passive money, which you will, with that money, you will do whatever you want. So treat it. I don't know if any other affiliate told you that. I just want to be honest with you. Treat this with a glasses or a point of view that I'm going to use this to make money. I'm going to use this to get results. I'm going to use this to make some passive income. I'm going to use this to pay some bills. I'm going to use this because these times are rough in Corona. I'm going to use this to cash in on all that trending stuff, on the content and everything, and for automation, of course. And you can, of course, use some of these articles and videos that you get and ideas here in your main business. But please do not use this as your main business. It is just not there. It's not good enough for that. Okay? We have that covered. Is that established? Okay, great. Now let's get into the software itself. So traffic, leads, etc. You will start designing all these different elements that you have on the page and customizing them. They're already designed, right? The page looks like this by default. And you just customize different elements like the text and how, you see here text on the bottom, send me my free gift. This is a preview, a placeholder, your best email address, and their thank you message or sign up. This integrates with your autoresponders. I think 3 main autoresponders. So those will be Aweber, GetResponse, and it crashed. Maybe they're doing an update. I don't know. All right, so it crashed, and I sent a message to Mosh, the creator, and I asked him what's going on, and he said they're upgrading the servers for maximum, to be able to withstand you and all the other customers that will come. But anyway, so for now it seems fine. It was down for about 15 seconds. But you see MailChimp, GetResponse, and Aweber. These are the 3 integrations you have. Anyway, so you customize all these different elements. Remember, always remember, this is a moneymaker. This is a side income thing. This is not your main income source, okay? Please. Or it can be your main income source, just it cannot be your brand. You cannot depend on this for a long time. This is a cash thing, a trendy thing, because these types of sites, for some reason, are extremely profitable these days. You can create as many of these as you want, and this will make you money. Once again, not my style, okay? I prefer branding and long-term strategies, but it doesn't change the fact that if you're looking for money, earnings, traffic, and just these types of things, this will give you that, okay? So forms, messages, you can, once again, change the email triggers, change these different things. The triggers is essentially, as you can see, you made in your referrals and what types of emails they will get as an follow-up sequence. And referral dashboard is the people you referred, the leads you got, the people referred, etc., etc. Media, I told you I'm going to skip. This is just like WordPress, all the content uploaded there. And YouTube traffic is another cool thing. You have here the YouTube TraffixZ. TraffixZ. Once again, the name just... I just never mind, So anyway, YouTube TraffixZ options. And you just change the different things to get YouTube traffic. And of course, here, this is the keyword replacer tool. So let me show you. So here on the page, you have the content that it generated with the YouTube traffic, with the YouTube video there, and how to activate SmartBank in SBI. So this text says SmartBank, and you simply replace that keyword SmartBank with whatever keyword you want to replace. It gets you the content. The content says SmartBank. Do you want to replace that keyword SmartBank with something else? Yes or no. If you do, then you change it. And whatever you choose to do, you then choose where the link will go. So you can send them anywhere you want. And these are the types of your campaigns that you set up, and this will essentially start the procedure on autopilot to upload those, to fetch those videos and content pieces to your blog. Okay, so it's an auto blog. Okay, very simple. Now, I'm working on something that I'm going to release probably at early May or mid-May. It's not similar. It's also an auto blogging software, but it's going to be focused more on long-term strategies and long-term vision. And it's going to be very different. But in concept, it's also about getting passive traffic and getting passive content and getting passive earnings. But it's going to be about building a brand and having a serious business. It's not going to be like one of those like this one, right? Because I'm honest here, right? The only reason I'm behind this and I'm promoting this, I'm recommending this, is because it's very popular these days. It makes money. I know it's going to make you money if you, of course, use this correctly, get the traffic. So, but I just wanted to warn you before that this is not something to depend on. This is not something to rely on. This is simply a moneymaker. Okay, so we have that established. Now let's talk about the actual bonuses that I have for you. So I have two bonuses for you, which are very powerful. The first one is bonus number one. It's Affiliate Revolution. Our brand new software that gives you 10 done for you affiliate campaigns that made us $1,000 each. Allows you to get a software that instantly you can deploy these 10 campaigns. You get bonus pages that we used. You get bonuses that we used. You get the text and the graphics that we used to make that money. And essentially exactly what we used, everything from zero, right? And you will get access to this. So you can just send traffic and enjoy. And you will make money. The reason why it's so effective and powerful is because this is already proven, right? It's not like you go ahead and you choose an offer, then you start building a bonus page per bonuses, and you take a risk that if you will promote this offer, if you will make money or not, if your campaign will work or not. This will ensure that this will work because this is based on our proven campaigns that already made us money. And all you have to do is literally just deploy them and trust that these will make you money. The second bonus is you get a reseller license to it is worth $97, and you can sell it as your own. Okay, you can sell it anywhere you want for as many copies as you want, and this can be your product. And you keep all the profits, and we do the customer support for you. So there won't be any customer support, but if there will be, so we'll do it for you. So this is also a very powerful bonus. You get these two bonuses when you purchase TraffixZ through my link in the next 3 days. Now, if you have any other questions, let me know. But of course, let me tell you one last time, I really cannot stress this enough. This is a good product, but for one purpose: to make you money. It's about cashing in on this trend of auto blogs that is extremely profitable these days, and on the passive income on creating as many of these. One of these, once again, it's not something to depend on. Create 10, 50, create as many as you can. Some of them will be winners, some of them will be losers. The winners will make you some money. Cash on that money and invest it in your main business, or pay your bills, pay your debt, whatever, right? This is not forever. I hope this makes sense. I hope I helped you get a better picture about the software before you decided to purchase it. If you do decide to purchase it through my link, and I will, of course, help you with whatever I can, with support, etc., etc. If you have any feedback, let me know in the chat box or in the comment section below, and reply to my emails if you have any questions. And thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you on the other side.